Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Hand Waving. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful ideas from James Clear's Atomic Habits: environment shapes behavior. You see, we often blame ourselves for lacking discipline or willpower, but in reality, most of the time, it's not you, it's your environment. Change your surroundings, and you'll naturally change your actions. So let's break this down step by step. Think about this. If you keep cookies on the kitchen counter, what's the first thing you see when you walk in? Cookies. And what do you end up eating more of? Exactly, cookies. But if you keep a bowl of fruit there instead, suddenly, without thinking, you grab an apple or a banana. The environment nudged you toward a different behavior. James Clear explains that your environment is like the invisible hand that shapes your decisions. Habits don't just happen because of motivation. They're often triggered by cues in your surroundings. That's why people who seem disciplined aren't necessarily stronger than you. They've just designed their environment so that good habits are the default and bad habits are harder to do. So how can you use this in your life? Let's look at a few strategies. Keycap 1. Make good habits obvious. If you want to drink more water, keep a water bottle on your desk. If you want to work out, set your gym clothes where you'll see them first thing in the morning. Keycap 2. Make bad habits invisible. If social media distracts you, delete the apps from your home screen or keep your phone in another room while working. If you want to cut down on junk food, don't buy it in the first place, or at least store it out of sight. Keycap 3. Create separate spaces for separate goals. Have a dedicated spot for reading, working, or exercising. When your brain links a place with a habit, it becomes much easier to get into the right mindset. Here's the truth. You don't have to rely on willpower if your environment is working for you. Let me give you a quick example. In one study, hospitals wanted to encourage people to drink more water instead of soda. Instead of telling people to make healthier choices, they simply rearranged the cafeteria. They placed water bottles at eye level and sodas in less convenient spots. The result? Water sales skyrocketed and soda sales dropped, just from a small environmental change. That's how powerful environment design is. So here's the key takeaway. Don't fight your environment. Shape it. If you want better habits, make the good ones easy and visible, and the bad ones hard and invisible. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. And your environment is one of the most important systems you can design. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights from Atomic Habits, and let me know in the comments. What's one small change you can make in your environment today to build a better habit? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it.